Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to get rid of the annoying Snapchat AI bot. So with this tutorial, you're gonna be able to remove that bot. As you can see, I'm already in Snapchat, so go ahead and open Snapchat. And then go to the top left corner, which is your Bitmoji, and look around, and then tap on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. So once you're here, scroll down, and then in privacy controls, tap on clear data. There are going to be a lot of options. You can clear your cache, which is the bugs, I'm pretty sure, or whatever, the downloads, all of these. But we're gonna need to look at clear conversations. So tap on that, and I don't have any conversations or the AI bot, but the AI bot is gonna appear on here, and all you have to do is tap on this X right here, and then your AI bot will be gone. But if you don't want to do that, all you have to do is just unsubscribe to your Snapchat Plus, and your AI bot will be gone. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.